Hello everybody and welcome back to more of the 2002 Grade 7 Gauss paper. We're looking at question number 16 in this video. In the following equations, the letters A, B, and C represent different numbers. Okay? Different numbers might be important, so let's keep an eye on that. And then we get the following equations. 1 cubed equals 1. Not particularly interesting, but okay. A cubed is equal to 1 plus 7, so we could probably rearrange and solve that and figure out what A is. 3 cubed is 1 plus 7 plus B, and 4 cubed is 1 plus 7 plus C. So, what are we asked here? The numerical value of A plus B plus C is, and we're given our possibilities. So it seems like the best thing to do is probably just to figure out A plus B plus C. If this were an upper year contest, we might try and figure out a really fast way of adding A plus B plus C by maybe adding the equations or something like that. But at this sort of younger level, it's grade 7 level, we've basically just been introduced to algebra. It's probably more straightforward that we just want to solve for A, B, and C and add up the result. Okay? So let's take a look here. I'm not going to do the 1 cubed equals 1 equation. That's not really, there's no point to that. That's just sort of showing you the pattern and explaining why we'll find out that A is 2. But A cubed is equal to 1 plus 7. Well, what's 1 plus 7? That's 8. So you can either know that the cubed root of 8 is 2, or you can ask yourself what times what times what gives you 8. Or if your calculator has a cubed root function, that's fine as well. Or you could just raise everything to the power of 1/3. That's another way to do it. But whatever you do, you see A is equal to 2. And you could have taken a guess at that looking at the pattern. 1 cubed equals 2, A cubed equals 3 cubed equals 4 cubed equals. So 3 cubed plus 7 equals 1 plus 7 plus B. Well, what's 3 cubed? It's 27. 1 plus 7 plus B, we could simplify that to B, and then we could rearrange things. Say B is 27 minus 8. And we can grab our calculator and we can work out, hey, that's 19. So B is 19, A is 2, and we have just one more value to figure out. One equation involving C. So we get 8 plus C is the same as 4 cubed, which is 64. It's a fairly common cube, so you're going to want to get used to it if you're going to keep doing contests. But if you still need your calculator, that's all right. There's no shame in that. You're not judged on whether or not you use your calculator. You're judged on whether or not you get the right answer. So use all available tools. All right, so C, we can rearrange this, and we get C is 64 minus 8. And that is 56, as I recall. Actually, I'm going to get out my calculator, and I'm going to double check that. Fairly certain that's the answer, but I want to make sure. I have a habit of actually screwing up simple arithmetic. Okay, so we do have 56. And the question asks us to take this A, this B, and this C, and we add them all up. So A is 2, B is 19, and C is 56. And so when we do that, we get 2 plus 19, that's 21. 21 plus 56, well, the 1 comes over and it becomes 57. So it's 20 plus 57. 2 plus 5 is 7, so we should get an answer of 77. And I think that was one of the later ones, D or E. There it is, 77D. Okay. Good question. I like it. It exploits the fact that we've sort of just been introduced to algebra concepts. And we were able to rearrange our equations and solve for A, B, and C in turn. So, nice little question, and we'll take a look at question number 17 in the next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.